G'day everyone, Shane here from Fanmaster Australia. With winter rolling in and the chills setting into your workshop, garage and warehouse, I want to clear up a common question we get quite often. And that question is, what's the difference between a space heater and a radiant heater? And more importantly, which one should you be using? Let's break it down. What is a space heater? Space heaters are designed to warm up the air in small enclosed areas. Think of them as personal comfort machines, great for heating a side office or workbench or under your desk. They're typically electric, portable and plug into a standard wall socket and are perfect for spaces up to around 10 to 15 square meters or bigger. And then, what is a radiant heater? Radiant heaters work differently. Instead of heating the air, they heat objects and people directly, kind of like the sun. They use infrared radiation to transfer warmth to whatever's in their line of sight. That makes them brilliant for large open areas or drafty spaces where heating the air just won't cut it. So, what are the key differences between both? Space heaters warm air. They're best for enclosed, smaller areas. They're safe, clean and easy to use, but not great for large open spaces. Radiant heaters warm objects. They're ideal for bigger ventilated areas. They provide great heat output and energy efficiency, especially when you need targeted warmth. So, how do you know which one's right? Chilly desk or home corner? Use a space heater. Cold concrete floor in a big workshop? Radiant heater all the way. Want quick heat without waiting for the whole room to warm up? Radiant heater wins again. Quick reminder, if you're using a diesel or gas radiant heater, make sure you've got proper ventilation. They burn fuel, so you'll need to get fresh air in to keep it safe. To sum it up, space heaters heat the air. Electric space heaters, on the other hand, are perfect for enclosed rooms and require minimal setup. Radiant heaters heat you directly. Choose the right one for your job and you'll be warmer, safer, and a whole lot more comfortable. Still not sure what's best for your space? Give us a call on 1300 900 345 or head over to fanmaster.com.au and we'll help you find the perfect heating solution. And lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay in the loop with all things heating, cooling and ventilation.